It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: gastroenteritis in dogs, causes and treatment. Gastroenteritis in dogs is a common condition that is difficult to manage and can make dogs feel gross. If left untreated, gastroenteritis can progress to a life-threatening condition called acute hemorrhagic diarrhea syndrome, formerly known as hemorrhagic gastroenteritis. There's a lot to talk about gastroenteritis, so let's get started right away so you can learn everything you need to know to make your pup's tummy feel better. 1. What is gastroenteritis? Gastroenteritis is inflammation of the stomach and intestines. It is classified as acute or chronic. Acute gastroenteritis occurs suddenly, while chronic gastroenteritis can take weeks or even months to develop. Symptoms of gastroenteritis in dogs. Gastroenteritis in dogs has many symptoms, but diarrhea is the main one. We'll focus on that first. When dogs have gastroenteritis, their poop will change in consistency over time. The poop will be soft and wet initially, then become increasingly watery, possibly with mucus. Dogs can also strain to poop and have accidents around the house. Diarrhea is usually frequent, in large quantities, and can be explosive. Sometimes the diarrhea will be bloody. Bloody diarrhea is a medical emergency. Dogs with gastroenteritis may also occasionally vomit, especially after eating. The vomit may be yellow from the bile that is produced in the liver. As with diarrhea, vomiting blood is a medical emergency. Other symptoms of gastroenteritis in dogs are the following: fever, nausea, languor, lethargy, loss of appetite, dehydration, tender rear end, sensitive abdomen with reluctance to be touched or lifted by the belly, weight loss common with chronic gastroenteritis. Dehydration is of particular concern in puppies and older dogs, who can quickly become dehydrated due to fluid loss associated with diarrhea. Surprisingly, some dogs with gastroenteritis can appear very well, aside from the diarrhea. However, don't be fooled. Gastroenteritis needs prompt diagnosis and treatment. 2. What causes gastroenteritis in dogs? A dog's digestive system has a microbiome, a collection of all the microorganisms in the gut that help with digestion. Anything that disrupts the normal gut microbiome can cause gastroenteritis. The list of causes is long. Dietary indiscretion, eating food in poor condition. Intestinal parasites. Food allergy or sensitivity. Gastrointestinal cancer. Gastrointestinal ulcers. Virus. Intestinal obstruction. Strange body. Systemic diseases such as kidney disease. Endocrine diseases such as diabetes. Ingestion of toxins. It is not uncommon for the cause of a dog's gastroenteritis to be unknown. 3. Treatment for gastroenteritis in dogs. The main goals of gastroenteritis treatment are to stop diarrhea and vomiting, restore hydration, and restore proper electrolyte, for example, sodium, potassium, balance. Several medications are available to address these treatment goals. Antibiotics, such as metronidazole. Medicines against nausea and vomiting. Antidiarrheal drugs. Medicines to prevent stomach ulcers. Probiotics to restore your dog's healthy gut microbiome. Gastroenteritis can be treated at home. However, severe cases of gastroenteritis require hospital treatment, including intravenous fluid therapy. Proper nutrition is critical when treating gastroenteritis in dogs. Your vet will likely recommend that you give your dog no food for up to 48 hours to give his digestive system a rest. If your dog is no longer vomiting, you can start feeding him a bland diet in small, frequent amounts. A bland diet for dogs with gastroenteritis includes foods such as plain boiled chicken. Rehydration options include adding an electrolyte supplement to your dog's water or giving him Gatorade or Pedialyte. Your vet can recommend which rehydration option would be best for your dog. In terms of recovery time, acute gastroenteritis often resolves quickly, but chronic gastroenteritis takes longer to treat. Gastroenteritis is a common disease in dogs that can be difficult to diagnose and treat. If your dog shows signs of gastroenteritis, make an appointment with your vet so your dog's stomach health can return to normal as soon as possible and it doesn't progress to hemorrhagic. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.